Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile color in ClickUp. ClickUp allows users to customize their profile color, which appears on your avatar in tasks, comments, and mentions. First of all, launch open the ClickUp application on your device and log in. From the homepage of ClickUp, go ahead and tap on your profile avatar at the top right corner of the screen. From your profile and settings page, click on Edit Profile. Now, click on Edit Color at the top of the screen and select a profile color for your profile. Soon after you do that, you will be able to see the color change for your profile right away. You can also upload an avatar if you'd like by tapping on Upload Avatar button and select an avatar for yourself. So once you are done uploading your color, click on Done at the top right corner, and there you have it. That is how you can easily change your profile color or your avatar color on ClickUp. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.